Hello again. I just wanted to give you a quick Google Classroom tour so you know what to expect each week. So first, make sure you log on to your ClassLink, click on your Google Classroom. Yours might look a little bit different, but the icon should be similar. Go ahead and click on it. Yours should appear with each class that you're joined on. If you need to join my specific class period, make sure you go onto our school website and join using the code. So I'm just going to show you first period. So first period, yours will look similar. You'll click on it. When you're there, the first thing you'll see is a syllabus. Make sure you read the syllabus because we are now virtual or online. So there's a little bit different rules and expectations for you. Every single week, expect to get an agenda for the whole week. It kind of gives you like a guide to know how much time you'll need to spend on this class, and so you can kind of plan your day, or I should say week. So let's just look at this first week. So when you click on it, you can view the PDF, and every week it'll look very similar. It'll say, please follow all directions on the assigned work. It'll give you Monday, Tuesday, and then it says Monday and Tuesday's work is due at 11 p.m. Tuesday. So make sure you know your Mondays and Tuesdays work is due at 11 p.m. on that specific Tuesday. So it gives you a little bit of flexibility on when you do the work. Just make sure it's in on time by Tuesday at 11 p.m. Then it gives you Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday's work will actually be due on Friday at 3:30 p.m. since the school week ends at 3:30 on Fridays. The specific checklist or items tells you where to find the items. So for example, Tuesday it says number 1, Discovery Education. DE, I'm going to shorten it so I don't have to write that every time. Activity 2, Life in Death Valley. So when you go on to Discovery Education, it will pop up for you, but just in case, you can go to Activity 2, Life in Death Valley, make sure you complete it, and at the bottom hit the Submit button, and then you can check that off your list. Okay, one other thing I wanted to show you was back in, classes. Again, going into first period, I put the first assignment just so you can see what it looked like. Vocabulary, click on the assignment. And then, let me move this, the instructions. So you will get your own Google Doc. And on that Google Doc, it tells you the specific directions you'll follow. Fill out the following chart with the definition from the glossary of your workbook or online glossary. If you want to know how to use the online glossary and you don't already know how to, go ahead and view my other YouTube video on how to do that. If you already know how to, or you have your workbook, you can simply fill out the definition right there, just right on it. And then insert a picture. If you use the online glossary, you can insert a picture from the glossary, or you can just use any image that is fitting for your assignment. So for mine says in this top right hand corner, it says share. Yours will look a little bit different. When you do the assignment, make sure you submit the assignment in that top right hand corner here to me. Again, make sure you submit the assignment and make sure you're using the weekly agenda to look for the time and the location of the assignment. Thank you.